Alright, this is Eric Norman from Fall Quarter 2013. Currently going to TVCC, and my degree is CIS. And today I'm just showing you a quick overview of how to access the control panel from your computer. So first, all we do is you come down to the Start menu down here, click on it, and we're going to go over here to the right where it says Control Panel, and this option says Change Settings and Customize the functionalities of your computer. So all we're going to do is click, and this screen will come up, and here it will show all the settings that you can change on your computer, and that's pretty much what the control panel is. You can access it and change the details to your computer, and that's about it. Thank you.